Hey everyone, I'm Alex, and I work on the growth team where we're constantly looking for ways to make content creation feel less like a chore and more like a creative outlet. Today, I want to walk you through a workflow we've been refining that makes turning long-form episodes into short, high-impact social clips feel incredibly easy and efficient. If you are a podcaster, an interviewer, or just someone who creates long videos and wants to snackify that content for social media, this guide is going to change your process. Here's the quick overview. The system we use automatically finds the most engaging moments in your long videos, converts them into ready-to-post clips, adds captions, and schedules them for you. Think of this entire process as an autopilot for your content strategy, helping you turn one single episode into a whole week or even a month of bite-sized social media posts. I'm going to show you how it works step by step, so you can see just how little hands-on time this actually requires. The first thing you need to do is simply sign in to your dashboard to get started. Once you are logged in, you land on your main hub where everything is organized and ready for you to begin. You will see a large, prominent button that says something like Create Clips, and clicking that is your gateway into the clip creation wizard. The wizard gives you two distinct paths to choose from, depending on your specific needs. The first path, which I personally use most often, is the auto-generate feature that identifies multiple high-potential moments automatically. The second path is the classic approach where you pick a specific timestamp, manually caption it, and export the clip yourself. For this walkthrough, I'm going to stick with the auto clips flow because that is where the time savings really start to compound. Once you select that auto-generate option, you simply hit upload to bring your source video into the platform. You have a ton of options here, like uploading a file from your computer, connecting a cloud drive, pulling from Zoom, or just pasting a YouTube URL. I usually pull from Zoom since that is where most of my interviews live, but that YouTube URL option is absolutely clutch if you already published the episode. After your import is complete, you will select the spoken language for the transcription, so the AI knows exactly what it is hearing. While the auto-detect feature is generally quite solid, it is always smart to double-check this because accurate captions depend on a precise transcription. Next up, you need to tell the system where you plan to post these clips, whether that is YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, or standard long-form uploads. This step matters a lot because the platform optimizes the aspect ratio, pacing, and caption placement based on where the video is going to live. If you are focusing on shorts, you will want to hit the portrait setting, and the platform will handle the rest of the heavy lifting. Once you hit generate, the AI takes over to analyze audio and visual cues, like laughter, emphasis, and energy peaks to find the best moments. It even processes captions, crops the background to remove visual noise, and bakes in those professional-looking on-screen captions for you. You will get a notification as soon as the clips are ready, and clicking that will take you to a preview grid. In this grid, you can see all the pre-selected clips that the AI has deemed worthy for your social feed. Each clip is already optimized for your chosen platform, with captions perfectly placed and metadata like titles and hashtags suggested automatically. You can tap on any clip to open a lightweight editor if you need to make specific adjustments. The editor is designed to be super simple, letting you trim a few seconds off the ends or fix any transcription errors with just a few clicks. I really love the auto highlight feature because it shows you exactly which sentence the clip centers on, making read-through edits much faster. When you are ready to share, just click the share button to see the suggested title and caption optimized for your platform. You can add your own tags, choose the language, and even connect your social accounts to publish directly from the app. If you prefer to plan ahead, you can use the scheduling option to queue your posts rather than publishing them immediately. The auto schedule feature is a massive time saver because you can set your posting frequency and let the platform handle the rest. It will spread your clips out intelligently so you aren't spamming your followers with back-to-back repeats of the same episode. If you like having total control, you can drag and drop clips on the content calendar to rearrange them exactly how you want. The content calendar acts as a single source of truth for scheduling, editing, and monitoring all of your outgoing posts. It is also a great place for teams, as you can add notes or assign clips to collaborators for review before they go live. One last thing I love is the projects page, which stores all your history so you can re-edit or export again whenever you need to. While there are other tools out there, many of them either charge per clip, lack smart scheduling, or force you to do all the heavy lifting yourself. The platform we're using today really sits in that sweet spot by finding moments based on actual engagement cues like laughter and punchlines. It gives you that perfect blend of automation without losing the editorial control you need to keep your brand voice authentic. Whether you need multi-language captions or very precise brand-safe trimming, you can easily tweak those settings in the editor. To recap, simply sign in, choose your generation path, upload your video, let the AI work its magic, and then publish or schedule your clips. If you are curious to try this out, head over to the website, create a free account, and run one episode through the auto-generate option. You will be surprised by how many usable clips it pulls and how much time it saves compared to doing everything manually. And if you hit any snags along the way, The support team is super responsive and can help you out directly through the app. That is it for this walkthrough. And I really hope that gives you a clear sense of how to turn a single long episode into a week of polished content. If you have any questions or want tips on formatting captions for different platforms, drop them in the comments below and I will be sure to follow up. Thanks so much for watching and happy creating!